look? Just keeping a lot of stuff? Oh, someone's sleepy, I think, already. What's up, guys? I don't have any makeup on today, but you know, we're doing the real thing. I am here with the ladies of Organice, and they're helping us with organizing our pantry because it needs a lot of love and a lot of work. So you can see here, we've got the island covered with a ton of stuff. There's stuff over by the oven as well. So tell me, ladies, is it a bad situation? How are we looking so far?
No, it's not at all right.
No, no.
No, not bad situation. We're happy to see that you were like taking care of our pantry.
Exactly. You can see everything at least.
Okay.
It's just some improvements over here that you're gonna do. Just make a system, make things functional.
Okay.
Grab, but yes.
Awesome.
You're pretty good, actually.
All right, good. We're excited. I know my husband's gonna be super excited to see this. So
that's the point, to make everybody excited and happy.
Awesome. Thank you. So yeah, we've got a lot that we're gonna have to sort through. Excited to see the end result. Let's stay tuned. All right, we got a bare pantry, so starting fresh. So can you guys share a little bit about your process now?
Yeah, so the first thing that we do, you take everything out, and now she's cleaning.
Clear up a little bit so then you can start doing the puzzle in our heads. How we're gonna put everything back together.
Okay.
Yes, and then everything that you have here. So you go through everything. We are going to categorize, go through the expiration dates, separating by category, and basically put everything back.
Okay.
When you take everything out, the best thing to help us out going through is separate by category, like dinner, breakfast, spread things, pasta, you know, cereal. That's gonna be the easy way to take a look on everything. So.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, you can see they've got like everything organized by different categories. So like all the canned goods are right here. We got like all the chicken stock and crackers, chips. So just looks like things are grouped by, you know, how they should be, as opposed to all over the place. But like we've got my potatoes, I've got onions in here. But yeah, this is looking good so far. So guys, this is all the expired stuff that they found. So we're gonna toss all of it.
In the trash.
Yep, in the trash. But otherwise, most of the stuff is pretty good to go. So we'll be keeping a lot of stuff. I'm already noticing that I have other places in the house I could put things. So like I have these containers that I could have totally been putting in like the high spots of my cabinets, because we have some pretty high cabinets. But sometimes I feel like you just need someone else in your home to like touch things and move things around, and you're like, oh, I could have totally been doing this the whole time. So I'm super excited how this is all gonna come together. It's coming together. We've got the first round, I guess you could say, of the pantry. So let's check out and what we got going on. Tell us what we got.
Okay, so what you try right now, we call solve the puzzle, okay?
Okay.
You're ready to put things in place, and the most important thing has to make sense. Things has to be together. Like dinner stuff, breakfast, cereals, paper goods, drink waters, and you were like trying to sort things around.
Right.
The good thing, MJ has a lot of space. So you can play around, but we are kind of 80% already done.
Okay.
Let's see it.
All right, I love it so far. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is so great. I'm gonna have to get you guys some close-ups. So yeah, this is so cool. Now I'm gonna have to go on my stories and show this too, because they're like, oh my God, I can't wait. They're so excited. This is so cool. My husband's gonna love this.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
If the hubs off, that's good.
I know. I'm a bit of a pain in the butt, so he'll be very happy, like, okay. This is so nice. I love this. Thank you. So I've had the pantry done for a few weeks now, but I wanna show you how it all turned out, and it is quite amazing. It is really organized and really easy to use. You can see everything has its place. It's nice, tucked away and hidden and organized, which I just love. I've been using it, it's very functional, and it's just a pantry dream. Everything has a label, everything has a name, everything has a place and a spot and a home. It's just too good to be true, to be honest with you. So yes, I am in love with this pantry. Love it, love it. Oh, let's get this. I just love this pantry. It's just amazing, amazing.